Today we're going to be learning a little bit about media literacy. So on Miss Page's Lab here, you're going to go to the media literacy page. It's going to take you to this Google form. You're going to put your name, you're going to watch this video, and then just answer 2 simple questions. Once you're done with that, on Miss Page's Lab, there's a link to a game called Admongo. Now, when you click on it, you're going to have to make the flash work. So usually when you click on it, it'll say to allow. Mine is a little bit different, so I have to go up here. Once it refreshes, the game should start. Once you get going, first thing you're going to do is create your character, boy, girl. You can change hair, eyes, mouth, head, shirt, hands, pants, shoes, skin, accessories, or you can just hit random. For the sake of time, I'm just going to randomize my character and click next. So you are this little character. This is kind of a map of what the world you're in looks like. You move with your arrow keys. It will tell you some things that you need to know on the signs as you go. Spacebar, activate objects. So this first round is just learning a little bit about how it works. If you click on show map, these are the different worlds that you're going to play through. They're atrium. You have 3 sections. In the assemblymator, you have 4 sections. The planetarium, you've got 2 areas. And then the agitator, you have 2 more areas. So you're going to play through all of these different sections today to learn about advertising and media literacy.